After every single trading session, I want you to watch this video for the next 3 months and see what type of a difference it makes in your trading. I also want you to watch the pre-trade routine video that I have before every trading session. These two videos together are like having your own personal trading performance coach that's guiding you through the proper mental models to have before and after your trading sessions. Now, the best mindset to have after your trading session is a mindset that's back in a state of equilibrium. It's only when you're in a state of equilibrium, which means balance and in a state of being poised and calm, that you're able to stick to your trading plan. If you've had a win this trading day, what can happen is you can puff yourself into this state of pride where you start to exaggerate your abilities and you start to minimize the risks in the market. You start to feel like you can replicate this trading day every single trading day. And you start to feel invincible and you start to deviate from your trading plan, thinking you don't need that anymore. But the truth is, if you don't learn to humble this state of pride and this state of self-exaggeration, the market's going to do it for you. And chances are you're going to come back to the trading day tomorrow, forgetting the trading rules that keep you safe, and you're going to start to take a few losses. So if you've had a trading win today, what I want you to do is I want you to remind yourself that one good trading day doesn't make you an invincible trader. You're still bound by the laws of the market, and you can still come in tomorrow and you can still take losses. So I want you to remind yourself of the bigger picture. I want you to remind yourself that just because you took a win today and just because you had a profitable day today does not mean you can come back and replicate it tomorrow. What's really, really important is that you get back to your trading processes. The trading plan and trading process that you spend so long developing, I need you to adhere to that tomorrow. Because if you come to the market thinking that you're going to replicate today's performance, that's unrealistic. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow in the market. So what's most important is you respect the market, recognize that there are still risks in the market, and you stick to your trading plan tomorrow. Humble yourself. Remind yourself of some of the shortcomings, some of the shortfalls, some of the things you're overlooking today, and recognize that just because today was a positive day, tomorrow may not be. And you have to come in tomorrow expecting the worst and stick to your trading plan. Stick to your risk management. Don't risk more than 1%. Don't go beyond your max loss for the day. And if you do take some losses, make sure you scale down your risk with some sort of a drawdown protocol. This will ensure that you stay safe. This will ensure that you can stick to your trading plan over a long period of time. Now, if you took a loss today, it's not the end of the world. One single losing day does not define your trading career. It's really important to recognize that losses are part of the game. The best traders still take losses. And losing doesn't make you a bad trader, it's just your edge playing out. So it's important to lift yourself and remind yourself of some of the good qualities you have, and to remind yourself that it's not the end of the world and that it's okay. The losses are sometimes a reminder of the risks in the market, the importance of your trading plan, the importance of sticking to good risk management. It's a little bit of a wake-up call, touching a hot stove to remind yourself that you can come back tomorrow, but there are real risks in the market, so you need to stick to your plan. And really, any losses or wins, they're just helping you, guiding you, reminding you of the most important state to be in is a state of equilibrium where you're sticking to your trading plan. That's your job as a trader. So reset tonight, come back tomorrow, sticking to your trading plan. And to wrap up this video, I want to give you a little bit of a broader perspective that, winning today, a +3, is that really good? Or is that just your edge averaging out over a long period of time? Because remember, today's win may be making up for tomorrow's loss, or it may be compensating for a past loss that you've taken in the past. And if you took a loss today, is it really a bad thing, or is it just averaging out a previous win or a future win? So remember, don't get too caught up in the individual wins and losses, because you're just going to exaggerate yourself and minimize yourself. You're going to be happy or sad. You're going to be elated or depressed foolishly, because these ups and downs over a longer period of time are just averaging out your monthly and yearly results. So have a bit of a broader perspective. Don't get too caught up with a win today. Don't beat yourself up too much if you took a loss today. Think about the larger sample space and just focus on showing up tomorrow and sticking to your trading plan. Now, before you finish up for the night, I want you to watch this video on bulletproofing your trading mindset. I'm going to teach you the proper mindset to have to ensure that you're able to achieve consistent payouts in your trading.